Hi, this is my entry for the subscriber showcase, which is of course about using an unusual combination of Windows and hardware. So I will be running Windows Vista on an Android phone. More exactly, the Huawei P9 Lite, that has these specs. Now, why did I choose Vista? Well, I didn't see anyone running it on Android on YouTube, and I like Vista, so why not? Of course, normal Windows only runs on x86 processors, and phones have ARM processors, so I had to use emulation. I used the box emulator, which is available on the Play Store, and it is pretty easy to use. I also used the Lite Vista install ISO, so it installed faster and took up less space. So let's start a box and take a look at how it's done. Okay, here we can see a CD drive connected to one ATA channel with the ISO and a hard drive image connected to the second ATA channel, and it's set to boot from the CD drive. I set the CPU to Pentium 4, it doesn't really matter, the memory to 512 MB and the video card to this one. Obviously, first I had to install Vista from the ISO. This took quite a long time, and by that I mean several hours, but now I have it installed, so let's start it up. It's ready, and we can see the beautiful Vista background. Now let's open the start menu. Yes, we can see that it's normal Vista. Let's take a look at the system info. Alright, we can see the specs here. If you didn't notice yet, it is very slow and the network and sound don't work. I don't really know what else to do, so let's just open the recycle bin, because why not? Oh, we have the calculator here. That is great, we can do some hardcore maths in here. I wonder what does 5 plus 5 equal to. Turns out it's 10, that is great news. I just found that you can emulate an i7 in here. Wow, well, let's try that. Seems that it is working. Crazy that a phone can emulate an i7. Albeit extremely slowly. Well, this is the end of my quick look at running Vista on an Android phone, and now it's a great time to advertise my YouTube channel. So, I have a very small YouTube channel called Random Tech Stuff. You can visit it by going to this link. I of course do videos about random things related to tech. I can't think of a better way to describe my channel. I hope you like this and enjoy the rest of the subscriber showcase.
Hello everybody and welcome to my subscriber showcase entry for Major Sky 17, aka Windows on Windows. At first I want to tell you my specifications, where I'm running Windows 7 on. Why I'm running Windows 7, it's because my computer doesn't support NX-bit, and yeah, this is why I can't install Windows 10 on it. To make it fast, my CPU is a Pentium 4 Northwood with 3 GHz and hyperthreading, and GeForce 6200 as a GPU, 3 GB of RAM, and it's running all on a ASRock P4 Dual 880 Pro mainboard. For the usability I made 5 categories, where I test some things. In the first group is internet, and the computer is very good for not very good, but it's possible to read emails and browse the internet, the lightweight internet, like Google, Wikipedia, or something like this. The second category is YouTube. It doesn't work very well in 720p, but in mini mode it's working in 360p very well, but with frame drops. I tested this with one of my videos, and yeah, in the footage you can see how well it works. I tested this with the HTML5 standard player and with a plugin which allows you to play the YouTube videos with Flash Player. The next category is multimedia. This means I test offline video playing and music playing. Music playing is not a problem, but video playback isn't working with VLC very well, but with Windows Media Player it's not a big problem. The fourth category is Office. I used LibreOffice instead of MS Office or OpenOffice because I only own Microsoft Office 2003, and OpenOffice is not that good for me. For only text documents or minimalistic presentations, I think my computer is good for it. The last category is gaming. I compared it with Windows XP, not with a benchmark, but with FPS. I had the feeling that Windows 7 is running older games not so good, like Windows XP, but newer games like Fallout New Vegas is running better on Windows 7. My conclusion is my computer is good enough for daily stuff like Office, web browsing and so on, and it can run some older games, so for old gaming it's good enough. Please remember I'm only 30 years old and from Germany in the 7th degree. This means my English is not so good, but yeah, I hope you did understand what I said in this video. Have a nice day. Bye.